Shenzhen Unicorn Lighting, established in 2013, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of LED high bay light, LED floodlight, LED tri-proof light, LED high mast, and LED explosion-proof light. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Our company employs more than 80 workers. Through the efforts of our entire staff, we have continuously tried to improve product quality, technical improvement. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipments. Our annual production capability is 50,000 pieces LED lighting products per month. We have obtained UL, FCC, DLC, TUV, CB, SAA, CTIC, ATEX, CE, ROSE, DMARC, LM79, TM21 certificates. We got design patent, practical patent, and Europe design patent for our products. We have already exported to America, Germany, France, Spain, Australia, Italy, and 28 other countries and regions. Our company has always focused on